Okay guys, here is another unboxing video of this epic mobile ROG Republic of Gamer ROG Phone 2, and this is an European version, Strix, I don't know, Strix version I think, and it has 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal space. Here we go. It looks like a whiskey bottle. No idea how it's gonna pop up. Wait. That's a fan, I think. Cooling fan. Here is a menu box. I don't know what. Let's see what it has. Okay, there is an cover, and here is a manual or what? Yeah, user manual. And there must be something inside. Yeah, there is a charger. USB 3.0, I think. I presume this one is 85 watt or what? I don't know. And here is the phone. On the other side, you must be careful. Alright, let's see. Here is the phone, and this is the ROG Phone 2 from ASUS. Okay, let's have a quick boot. Alright. Republic of Gamer. Sounds great. It's dual speaker, dual microphone. Alright. To be